Alright, let's get this video going. It is the day after Christmas. We are obviously on a new camera now. I'm sure the audio just sounds 3,000 times better and the video just looks so much better also. I hope y'all had a great Christmas and let's get into this video. So here's a little look at the new camera. I actually have zoom now. It's nice. And this isn't the only camera we got. We also got the new Hero 7 Black. I'm so excited to get to use that. I can't wait to use it. I'm sure the videos are going to be so much smoother. The video stabilization on these things is just absolutely mint. There's the Hero 6 Black. Still an awesome camera. That camera is still just awesome. So I'm just going to put that on the bike probably and video with that. Getting, you know, those extra shots in there. But I mean, mainly using that, you know, for the head mount and everything. So, okay. Alright, so let's get into what we actually need to talk about, okay? So I put a poll up yesterday just talking about what kind of videos we need to make in 2019. I'll just show you that now. Okay, so obviously 60% of y'all saw it, and I don't really think y'all understood exactly what it was. The last choice just said, you know, vlogs about anything and everything fun. But really what that meant was adding other videos, like, you know, other than riding videos, but we're going to continue to, obviously, like, the majority of my videos are going to stay riding videos. I'm going to continue to post riding videos, but add in other videos every once in a while. And I know that 60% of y'all didn't really get that. You're like, oh, JP gonna stop making riding videos. What the hell am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so anyways, that's not what's gonna happen, okay? The riding videos are gonna stay, okay? I'm gonna continue to make them. They're gonna stay. Yes, okay? So, that's what y'all understand what I'm saying now. I'm gonna make riding videos all the time because that's my favorite thing to do. And just every once in a while I'm gonna post different videos. You know, I go to Montana once every summer usually, and you know, trout fishing in the mountains. I feel like that's pretty awesome. But do that. I used to fish all the time. We can make fishing videos. I'm supposed to be going duck hunting soon, so making duck hunting videos. You know, make Memphis in May. How about that? Just a vlog in Memphis in May, or you know, just every once in a while I'll post a different video. But the majority of my videos are gonna stay riding videos. I promise. I will continue to post those, okay? And they will also obviously continue to get better. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Yeah, just enjoy the video. Thank y'all. Up and go again. All right, go. All right, back out. Just back out of it. Everybody's getting stuck. Hey, put it in reverse. Crank your wheel to the right and let it come back this way. If anyone's wondering when electric shift comes in handy, this is it.
Hey, don't let these get wet.
If they're floating, you're okay. There we go. All right, now put in reverse. Can you put it in reverse or not? There you go. All right, hey, turn it with all the way, all the way. Alrighty, thank you all so much for watching. That's pretty much going to be it for this video. And yeah, be sure to subscribe and comment and like it and everything. And for sure comment on the topic that we talked about in the beginning of the video. Again, just I can't thank y'all enough, man. Y'all really are just killing it. And that's it, man. Just thank y'all.